In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grids in Canva. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned designer, mastering the use of grids can significantly enhance your design skills. Let's dive right in and explore how grids can make your layouts not only more professional, but also aesthetically pleasing. To get started, once you have your Canva design open, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the File option. You can find this in the top menu bar of your design dashboard. Clicking here opens up a drop-down menu with several options that allow you to customize your workspace. This is where we begin setting up our grid system. Next, navigate to the Settings option within this drop-down menu. Settings is where you'll find all the customizable elements that Canva offers to streamline your design process. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these settings when you're working on a new project, as they offer a lot of tools that can immensely improve your workflow. Once in the settings menu, you'll want to locate the Show Rulers and Guides option. This is a fantastic tool that gives you visible rulers on the top and side of your design canvas. These rulers serve as measurement guides, helping you position elements precisely. Grids and rulers are essential for ensuring that all elements in your design are perfectly aligned, which can drastically improve the cleanliness and professionalism of your final product. The next step is to click on Add Guides. By selecting this, you can create guidelines on your canvas that can help you lay out your design elements with great precision. These guides act like invisible assistants, offering you support in maintaining consistency in your layout. You can drag these guides from the rulers at the top and the sides of the screen. Simply click and drag to where you need them, and they'll hold that position. This function is particularly useful when you're working on complex projects that require precise spacing and alignment. So, there you have it. A simple yet powerful demonstration of how to use grids in Canva. By following these straightforward steps, you can elevate your Canva projects, enhance design composition, and ensure that your layouts are both visually appealing and professionally executed. Remember, practicing with these tools will lead to better design results, more creative freedom, and a more streamlined workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips as useful in your design endeavors as I do. Happy designing!